Hello, Auxilium friends, this is Tech. Now, I like cheap solutions to complex problems, especially SAR. And I'm going to see what I can do to design a ship that is cheap to run, cheap to use, and effective in combat. Now, this build is roughly $240,000 to build because you're using good parts for it to start. However, $240,000 in the grand scheme of things is relatively cheap, even for this game. Usually you're talking about a $4 million ship or something, in this game for credits in game cash. So $240,000 is reasonable. So here we have the basic setup. The Foxfire, Endos, Fireall, Cascade, Palisade, and Mirage. We're going to use XJ1s. And XJ2s. I think I have XJ2s. Yeah, there they are. Lots of them. Alright. To pour out pure distortion damage at about 1,500 meters. Now, as the beta is a $40 ship, and you can pick it up with Squadron 42 combination for $75 in total. You have the $65 package plus $10. You're talking, this is a real basic starter ship. So let's say you're a starter player and you just got your beta and you're thinking, what can I do with this ship? It's got a habitation, it's got a Leaper engine, it's got all sorts of goodies.
Why not consider calling Lorville home?
It's a solid overall.
Residences are
really
available at all price
point A
points.
to point B.
See a
Awesome.
habitation rep for details.
Well, I have found a solution
Welcome to Metro
that makes
Center.
it also combat
Transfers
effective.
to the perimeter,
The
spaceport,
Palisade
and
and
industry
Mirage shields
lines.
put together give it 10,000 hit points and 500 HP per second regeneration.
Welcome to Metro Center. Transfers
Now,
to
the
the perimeter,
endo-coolers
spaceport, and industry
allow
lines.
the ship to overclock those shields and overclock the weapons without overheating anything.
Security reserves the right to search travelers at any time.
And the
Now
Fireall
arriving from
Cascade is
TISA
exactly
Spaceport.
the right
Stand by and let passengers disembark before boarding.
power supply. It gives us
Do not lock
perfect
doors.
amount of durability plus need and everything. It's a really good power supply for this particular build. And I'm really proud of it. I mean, it's great. And then the Foxfire drive on the beta allows a good range plus a good amount of speed to get to where you're going and actually intercept where you need to intercept. And then you also have the Leaper engine, which allows you to basically
Next
go
stop,
system to system
TISA Spaceport.
fairly quickly. Now the Leaper engine, I believe, is just a jump drive. And the beta has 700 quantum fuel, which allows it to go the distance. Now, using XJ1s and XJ2s, you're not running any ammo, so you don't have to worry about ammo costs.
Now
That makes this ship
arriving.
extremely
TISA
cheap to run.
Spaceport. Please watch your step when disembarking the train.
That means your 3-month insurance is effective.
Hurston Security reserves the right to search travelers at any time.
So who minds paying 3-month insurance on a very cheap ship that is going to be making money? Because you're going to be able to do all sorts of things with it.
Make sure you have collected all property when clearing customs.
I believe when you rescue somebody and you collect a bounty on its enemy for disabling him, it's going to be effectively earning money. This is not a hangar ship, so it does not suffer from the penalty like Hornets do, and it does collect from the scoops, and you will have more hydrogen fuel than most other ships. And with its wings folded up, it's very easy to park just about anywhere. You can go anywhere with this ship, and that's what I like about it. It's a very small ship, lightweight. Yeah, it's a really good ship. So I call this the Lady J. She's my Blue Jay. Now in a rapid deployment situation with these wings up, I don't need much on that to get out of here. So while I'm here, I'm going to teach you guys a little bit about this ship and what makes it special. 1.
Welcome. Your journey begins now.
The first thing you do
All systems operational.
is you come down here and you overclock your shields. Boom. Boom. Now this thing's just going to fly. It's just going to go. All right. And then the next thing you do is you overclock all your weapons. That gives you most effectiveness. And this thing with its coolers has plenty. Then you bring this down here. And we're going to bring the ping up. Ready to go. Now I have the ping and the drive here. Okay? So press overall IR. And now we get out of here.
You are cleared for liftoff.
Launch complete.
Please visit us again. Remember, if you're contemplating a career change, you should contact one of Hurston's resource managers for information about exciting career opportunities.
Notice I'm not overheating my engines, and I'm just
Landing gear retracted.
You can push this thing to the limits. Thrusting this whole time.
Engine systems
and
failure
now,
imminent.
There. And now it's already at 900. So that's the quickest atmospheric exit I've ever seen in a ship. Now watch this. See the IR? It's barely raising up. So you can push this out quite a lot. And then you pull it down, push it out, pull it down, push it out.
Weapon system failure imminent.
And finally it starts to work.
Weapon system failure imminent.
So we know that full-on overclocking is going to overheat the weapons. But watch when we stagger them. All right. And there she goes. That's about the perfect rhythm for this ship. And this disables ships. This can do it. Once they balance the system, this is going to be the job. It will take a long time for this thing to go down. And then you just cool it off, get back to work. That small second, awesome. Notice our shields haven't overheated at all. Now, one of the things with the Foxfire engine is that it's going to stay cool at 20, and then when you spool it, you overclock it. So then you spool it, and it goes really fast. I mean, it really spools, and it's a very fast drive. And then when you launch the ship, then you just turn off the overclock, and it cools it all down, and you're in stealth mode again. Now with the ping, you can put this all the way down to. It still has a decent ping, and that allows you a basic scan at minimal risk. And then when you need higher resolution, go ahead and overclock it. And then you'll have a maximum scan at highest resolution. So let's test this out.
Quantum travel
Now
engaged.
for these short hops, I don't need to stop the overclock. I'll just keep the drive overclocked and turn it off when I get there. I'm going to see if I can disable the ship.
Quantum travel complete.
I don't really care about the mission. I just want to see if I can disable ships.
Quantum travel engaged.
That's about as fast as I've ever been able to get places. Really quick.
Quantum travel complete.
You are a good send. Hold off these arseholes while I do
Contact.
repairs. We got power. Taking damage. I need a hand! Shit! I'd hate to say it, but I think we're losing. We're working as fast as we can, but we need more time.
Front shield hit.
Does my
Right
shield
shield
effectively
hit.
taking him? No problem.
Left shield hit. Shield at full
I'm taking a
strength. Right shield hit.
And then you just move out the way.
Front shield hit.
We're going as fast as we can, but we need more time. Heads up.
Contact.
We've got trouble.
Front shield hit. Shield at full strength. Rear shield hit. Right shield hit. Left shield hit. Left shield hit. Front shield hit. Shield at full strength.
So you can tell that the system doesn't quite work.
Front shield
I
hit.
have a hard time
Shield
disabling
at
anything.
full strength.
So let's get out of here real quick.
Rear shield hit. Shield
missiles
at
hit
full
me.
strength.
Notice the shield's held up well. I'm damaged, but not too bad. Yeah, they blew off my canopy. That's common. Alright, so once the XJs actually get balanced and are effective, I think it'll be a good ship. It was able to take down the shields of that one ship, but that's all it was able to do. It wasn't able to really disable him. Good test.